Hey there, fellow points enthusiasts. If you're holding a Citi Strata credit card, you're probably excited about those hard-earned points stacking up. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to redeem your Citi Strata points for cash back. It's a quick process that puts real money back in your pocket, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Citi credit card account. You can do this through the Citi mobile app or on their website. Once you're in, head over to the Rewards, or Points, section. It's usually front and center on your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now, select the option for redeeming points. You'll see a variety of choices, like travel, merchandise, or cashback. Go ahead and click on cashback. It's often labeled as statement credit or direct deposit. Next, you'll need to choose how many points you want to redeem. Remember, Citi Strata points are typically valued at 1 cent each for cashback, so 1,000 points equals $10. Double-check the redemption rate to make sure you're getting the best value. After selecting the amount, review your options for how you want that cashback delivered. You might choose to apply it directly to your credit card statement as a credit, or have it deposited into your bank account. Hit the Redeem button and confirm the transaction. It's that simple. Keep in mind, there might be a processing time of a few days, so be patient. One quick tip: always redeem in multiples that align with your needs, and try to do it during off-peak times to avoid any glitches. This way, you're maximizing your rewards without any hassle. If you run into any issues, Citi's customer support is usually helpful. There you have it. Redeeming your Citi Strata points for cashback is easier than you think. Give it a try and start enjoying that extra cash flow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your rewards. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.